EPS family, welcome back to another exciting episode of EPS TV, your window into all the wonderful happenings at our institution. This week, we're shining a spotlight on our annual Carol Service, held under the theme, Behold He Cometh, the light that shines through. This year's service was truly a celebration of light, hope, and joy. Each grade delivered a unique and heartfelt item. We were also privileged to have Minister Yannick Sargent as our guest speaker. But that's not all. The Culture Club students also made us proud by performing at the Glenmere High School's Carol Service last Friday. This season, our students have shown the power of unity, creativity, and faith. So, without any further delay, here are some highlights.